Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file property tax online in Delhi. First, navigate to the official Municipal Corporation of Delhi website. This platform allows you to conveniently manage your property tax obligations from home. Familiarize yourself with the portal's layout to ensure a smooth filing experience. Having your documents prepared beforehand will significantly speed up the entire process. To proceed, you will need several key pieces of information. Your unique property ID is crucial for accessing your records. Ensure you have the owner's details, including their permanent account number and Aadhaar card information. Additionally, be ready to input specific property characteristics, such as its complete address, usage category, and construction details. This information helps accurately calculate your tax liability. Once you have your information, log into the portal using your credentials or register if you are a new user. Navigate to the property tax section and input your property ID. The system will then guide you through entering property specifics and calculating your tax. Carefully review the calculated amount and apply any eligible rebates or concessions before proceeding to payment. After verifying your tax amount, proceed to the payment gateway. You can choose from various online options, including net banking, credit cards, or debit cards. Once the payment is successful, a confirmation receipt will be generated. Download and securely save this receipt for future reference and proof of payment. It's important to keep accurate records. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.